to sleep. Before you sleep, you have meditation only 1 moment, maybe 5 minutes. And result from nature of meditation, 5 minutes, let you to sleep. 6 hours, 8 hours. When you get up, you will have very strong, very faith to make anything like this. Because from natural meditation, let you happy. If you not have meditation, you cannot sleep. If you cannot sleep, what happens? Oh, you hate your wife. Because very close for you, and you hate your husband. You hate your children. Not hate me because I am far. But you try to understand when if not meditation, not have meditation, cannot sleep. Cannot sleep 1 day, never mind. 2 days, never mind. 3 days, never mind. But 1 week, you must have some hallucination. What happened? Oh, you must have very stressed inside, like it. So that we have meditation. You study meditation instructor. You have walking meditation, sitting meditation, 1 hour a day. You try to study 6 months. We need 100 hours. 100 hours happen for you. How much power of mind? Many thousand, many 100,000 units happen for your mind. Not only happen, but accumulation, permanent. You get and was born again. Power of mind must follow. Right? No one who takes out. So that I would like to let people meditation. This reason. Because if mostly people in the world have big or strong power, that's very good for their family, their society in the world, their business, their administration, many things about who leads the country. President, Prime Minister, the chief of the group. That's very important for the increase power of mind. Because who are President, Prime Minister, the chief man must have responsibility. Very big responsibility. Like it. So that meditation instructor for what purpose, what for produce how meditation instructor. If we have many meditation instructor, we can send the meditation instructor around the world. Because Canadian, very smart. Why very smart? Very nice, very beautiful. What? Because Canadians speak English. English can teach around the world. Many thousand million speak English, understand English. So I came from Thailand. I am airport of Wat Tham Mongkut, Bangkok, Thailand. I have high responsibility in my temple, but I think of my vow from the white aesthetic, white street, not yellow, but white aesthetic to kill me. At that time, I very sick about paralysis. Cherry explained very well. And I was with him. If who kill me and then I have Norman, the same Norman people, the same every people, very strong. I like to devote my body for people around the world, for population around the world. How to do? When I vowed that I ordination novice and live with my teacher, the first teacher, พระอาจารย์ Poma Chirapujo, that I live with him 8 years. I try to study meditation with many, because I was a good boy. Why? Because I live with my teacher. I serve my teacher, not another one the same way. I make everything for my teacher, and then my teacher loved me very much. Then he said, I teach you, finish my knowledge. You understand how on my knowledge? Oh, I taught my teacher, have some teacher, biggest teacher. My teacher said, oh, yeah, very high. What name? หลวงปู่มั่นภูริทัตโต
คำนี้เพิ่มพลังจิตหากมวลหมู่มิตรมีจิตศรัทธาเลื่อมใสศีลและธรรมน้อมนำคู่กับดวงใจเพื่อคุณหนุนให้จิตใจล้นคุณธรรม
ท่านผู้ชมคะตอนนี้ดิฉันกำลังยืนอยู่บนเรือที่มีชื่อภาษาไทยเก๋ไก๋เลยนะคะว่าสาวน้อยในม่านหมอกจากภาษาอังกฤษที่ว่า Maid of the Mist นะคะก็กำลังฝ่าละอองน้ำอย่างที่ท่านผู้ชมเห็นอยู่นี้นะคะก็ต้องยอมเปียกค่ะเพื่อที่จะเข้าไปใกล้บริเวณฮอสชูหรือที่เรียกกันว่าน้ำตกเป็นเกือกม้าซึ่งอยู่ในฝั่งประเทศแคนาดานะคะจากความสูงข้างบนลงมาถึงที่นี่นะคะกระแสน้ำนั้นสูงถึง55 เมตรค่ะจะมีพลังแรงน้ำ1 วินาทีมากถึง 7,000 ตันเลยทีเดียวนะคะก็ลองคิดดูถ้าหากว่าเป็น1 เดือน 1 ปีเป็นวันจะมีพลังน้ำมากมายขนาดไหนค่ะก็ทำให้